And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create an abstract Liquify background in Adobe Photoshop. Let us open a new layer and I give it a name. Now activate the paint bucket tool. Click on this little color icon. Make sure black is your foreground color and click on the empty canvas. Now your background is black. The second method I'm going to show you, I will use an image for that. I'll put it right here and make it invisible for now. Let's get back to our background. Click on Filter, Render, and we'll add some clouds. Then we'll go to Filter and Liquify. Let me reposition that window a little bit. Make sure you've got this forward warp tool activated and you can increase or decrease the size over here. And then just randomly go around the image while holding your left mouse button. And this Liquify effect will set in. Don't worry about these empty background spots. You'll simply drag the liquefied clouds over them in the end. So the more time you invest, the more random it will look. When you're done, just click on OK. Now we'll open an adjustment layer gradient map. And you can choose different default gradients over here. And if you click on the settings icon to the right, you can even add more. Let us just open color harmonies. You can simply press OK and there it is. What we want to have is the default, so I simply press Ctrl Z. And now I double click on the gradient. I want to change the white color, so I keep the black on the left and double click on the white. And I'll choose a different color. But now you can see that I've forgotten two little spots. So simply cancel, filter, liquify again. Make sure that the background layer is activated and then I'll drag over it and OK. So if that happens, then you see that only after the gradient map is applied. Just go back and liquify it. So double click on the white and I give it this bluish color. And that's fine. Just press OK 2 times and this is the final effect. Let me show you how it's done with an image. You can use any image you like. This is just some food. Once again, filter and liquify on this image and then randomly once again drag around the image and liquify it. Depending on the size of the image, it might take some resources from your CPU. So I'm going to speed up this video a little bit. When you're done, just press on OK and we will add the gradient map on top of it. And this is the way you can create these abstract Liquify backgrounds in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.